Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you're all doing good. Today I am going to make a simple one pot veg kurma. This kurma I have been making for last 10 years and this is so close to my heart. I have been making this from my college days. So this kurma is so simple. It can be made with very less ingredients, but it tastes very mild and very nice and it is completely kid friendly. Let's start making the kurma. For this I am taking some garam masala, bay leaf, cinnamon and clove, two onions finely chopped, some curry leaves, potatoes, tomatoes, onion, sorry, carrots, peas, and chili powder and salt. This is the only masala I am using here, not more than that. Then I am going to grind cashews, coconut and fennel seeds. I ground using very little water. Now it is all ready. Let's start making the kurma now. Adding 2 tablespoons of oil to the pressure cooker. The oil is nice and hot now. Now you can add the whole garam masala. Here adding only few garam masalas, not more than that. If you prefer, you can add. But I am like completely fine with this mild kurma. It tastes nice with this mild flavor. Then adding the chopped onions and curry leaves. Sort everything till it turns transparent. It doesn't need to be golden brown or anything. Just sort till it turns transparent. This point I am going to add 4 crushed garlic cloves. That gives a very nice flavor to this kurma. You can skip this also. You can add ginger garlic paste also, but I like this garlic flavor in this kurma. Just settle the raw smell leaves. Now it is all completely sorted. Now adding the tomatoes. I took one large tomato. Cook the tomatoes till it turns nice and mushy. It takes some 2 to 3 minutes. I usually close the lid and keep the flame low. After 2 to 3 minutes, it will be nice and soft. Now you can see it is nice and soft now. Now you can add the vegetables. You can add any vegetables here, but I am short of vegetables, so I am adding only peas, carrots and potatoes. You can add beans, corn, sweet corn, mm, cauliflower, anything of your choice. Mixing in completely. No need to saute this and all, just mix it before adding the masalas. Now I am adding the masalas. 1 tablespoon of chili powder and required salt. If you want to be if you want it to be more spicy, you can add little more than this. So just mix everything properly. Now it is all mixed now. Now add in the ground coconut cashew paste. Then adjusting the water consistency, I have added around like 1.5 cups of water. Before pressure cooking, make sure it is like very thin, because while pressure cooking the vegetables will absorb lot of water and it will become very thick if you add very less water. So make sure to add little more water. Here I am feeling little thick, so I am adding more water here. I think the consistency is very thin and light now. So wait till it boils. It started to boil now. It hardly take 3 to 4 minutes. After this, close the lid of the pressure cooker and leave it for 2 whistles in medium high flame. Let the pressure subside by its own. After 2 whistles, you can see how the oil has separated nicely. The cashew and the coconut both has oil. So while pressure cooking, both the oil will come out so nicely and it gives a very nice flavor to this kurma. Just mix in, add garnish with coriander leaves. That's it, done. This kurma is just perfect for any lazy day. I make this kurma at least once a week for dinner and my kid loves it completely and he eats without any complaints, and this is a complete hit in my family. Do let me know how it turned out for you in the comments section below. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.